Hi, I'm Dylan. So this is my project about supervised Java to JavaScript code-to-code translator. So basically, code-to-code translation is the process of converting a source code written in one programming language to another programming language. So like in natural language translations, like English to German, here what we are converting is a program which is written in a programming language like Java to JavaScript. So there are some limitations in manual code translations, which is time consuming and it is syntax prone, and the companies which are planning to migrate from a legacy code base to a new programming language, they need developers on expertise on that specific target programming language, so that will be costly. And these are the limitations that I found out while doing the literature review. Most of them are built only for Java to C# or Java to Python. And with the recent research called relative position encoding attention mechanism, it has been applied for natural language translations, but not for code translation. So no utilization of relative positions between the tokens of the code. And one other limitation is limited to snippet level and API level. Proposed solution, from the pre-trained large language models, I use the graph code bed model architecture with the pre-trained weights, and from the attention mechanisms like self attention, sparse attention, I chose relative position encoding attention mechanism. It is capable of holding a positional table of the values of the positions between the code tokens which are in training. So because of that, it is more capable of understanding the code semantics and code structure. And the dataset I used is Excel cost, a parallel corpus of Java and JavaScript dataset, and the application of this is to Java to JavaScript. Not, it doesn't support reverse translation at now. And here are my system functionalities. In related with limitations, this doesn't support any reverse translations. As I mentioned previously, the model should be retrained for any new syntaxes and keywords introduced by the programming language. The translation is only supported only for CUDA supported graphic cards, and future enhancement will be supporting interlibrary translations between Java and JavaScript. And that is my project about SyntaxSwap, the JavaScript code-to-code translator with relative position encoding attention mechanism.